Whether you're cleaning your home, tending to plants, or styling hair, a high-quality spray bottle can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best spray bottles available on Amazon today, each chosen for its durability, design, and versatility. First up is the JOHNBEE 16-ounce empty spray bottle, model JOHNBEE 122. This heavy-duty spray bottle is an Amazon bestseller and a favorite among both professional cleaners and everyday users. It's made from BPA-free HDPE plastic, which means it's chemically resistant and safe for a wide range of solutions, from household cleaners to gardening sprays. What really sets it apart is the adjustable nozzle that allows you to switch between a fine mist and a powerful stream, making it extremely flexible for different tasks. It's also ergonomically designed, with a comfortable trigger grip that doesn't tire your hand even after extended use. This bottle comes in a 2-pack, which adds great value, especially if you like to dedicate different bottles to different uses like vinegar cleaning solutions and plant care. Our second pick is the KREMORV plastic spray bottle, which holds up to 10 ounces of liquid and is great for those who need something more compact. Whether you're spritzing your face, misting your indoor plants, or applying homemade essential oil mixtures, this bottle gets the job done. It's particularly useful for travel or lightweight household application. Users love the leak-proof design and the clear plastic that lets you see exactly how much liquid is left. The spray mechanism itself provides a smooth, consistent mist without drips or clogging, and its compact size makes it easy to carry in a cleaning caddy or even a tote bag. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for lighter, everyday uses. For more demanding tasks, consider the heavy-duty 32-ounce plastic spray bottles. These larger capacity bottles are designed for industrial and commercial cleaning, but work just as well for heavy-duty home use. With a capacity twice as large as most standard spray bottles, you won't have to refill them as often. Ideal for big jobs like power cleaning patios or treating large garden areas. The sprayers are chemical resistant and built to handle strong cleaning agents like bleach or degreasers. Users consistently mention how sturdy the bottles feel and how well they hold up over time, even with frequent use. If you're a serious cleaner or gardener, this option gives you professional-grade performance. Our fourth recommendation is the OFFIDIX Glass Plant Mister, which brings both function and style to your plant care routine. Holding about 300 milliliters, or roughly 10 ounces, this vintage-inspired glass bottle features a charming bronze-tone pump mechanism that sprays a fine mist, ideal for delicate leaves and seedling. It's perfect for succulents, air plants, or orchids that require gentle moisture without overwatering. Beyond its functionality, this mister looks beautiful sitting on a shelf or windowsill, making it as much a piece of decor as it is a tool. It's also a favorite for those using it with distilled water or essential oil sprays in the home. Finally, let's talk about the HULA Home Continuous Spray Bottle. This one is a game changer for those who need a consistent, ultra-fine mist. It holds just over 10 ounces and features a continuous spray mechanism that works at any angle, even upside down. That's perfect for hairstylists, plant lovers, or anyone using it to clean glass or countertops. The mist it produces is gentle and evenly distributed, making it ideal for more delicate application. It's extremely popular on Amazon, with tens of thousands of 5-star reviews praising its performance and comfort. If you're tired of traditional trigger sprayers and want something that feels modern and effortless, this is your best bet.